Accelk Unified Online Training. Accelk Unified, revolutionizing test automation and quality assurance. Accelk Unified, revolutionizing test automation and quality assurance. Accelk Unified is an advanced, AI-powered test automation platform designed to streamline and enhance the process of software testing and quality assurance (QA). It offers a range of features that are transforming the way organizations approach test automation by improving efficiency, flexibility, and scalability. Here's an overview of how Accelk is revolutionizing the test automation landscape. 1. AI-powered automation. Smart test creation. Accelk leverages machine learning, ML, and natural language processing, NLP, to enable users to create test scripts in plain English. This dramatically reduces the time and expertise required to write automation scripts, empowering business users and QA teams to participate in test creation. Self-healing tests. Using AI, Accelk's automation can automatically adjust to changes in the application interface, reducing the maintenance effort that traditionally comes with test scripts after an application update. 2. Unified platform. End-to-end test automation. Accelk supports test automation for various stages of the software development lifecycle, SDLC, from functional to performance and security testing, providing a unified platform for all QA activities. Cross-technology support. The platform integrates seamlessly with a wide range of technologies, including web, mobile, and API testing. Its support for multiple browsers, devices, and cloud environments makes it versatile and adaptable to modern DevOps and CI/CD workflows. 3. Collaboration and teamwork. No-code interface. Accelk's intuitive no-code interface allows non-technical users to contribute to the testing process, ensuring better collaboration between developers, testers, and business stakeholders. Real-time reporting and analytics. The platform offers live, interactive dashboards that provide real-time insights into test execution and quality metrics, helping teams to make data-driven decisions quickly. 4. Continuous integration and continuous testing. CI/CD integration. Accelk integrates seamlessly with CI/CD pipelines, ensuring that automated tests are executed continuously as part of the development cycle. This helps teams to identify and resolve defects early in the process, ensuring faster releases and higher quality products. Shift-left testing. The platform promotes a shift-left testing approach by allowing teams to test earlier in the development cycle, thus identifying defects sooner and reducing the cost of fixing them. 5. Advanced reporting and analytics. Comprehensive metrics. Accelk provides detailed reports, visualizations, and trend analysis, helping stakeholders track the quality of the product across multiple versions and releases. Test coverage insights. The platform offers insights into test coverage, ensuring that critical areas of the application are thoroughly tested, reducing the risk of undetected issues. 6. Scalability and flexibility. Cloud-based architecture. Being a cloud-native solution, Accelk can scale with the needs of the organization. Teams can easily expand test coverage, run tests in parallel, and manage resources without worrying about infrastructure limitations. Integration with third-party tools. Accelk integrates with a variety of third-party tools like Jira, Jenkins, and GitHub, making it easier to fit into existing workflows and toolchains. Unleashing productivity with Accelk Unified's AI-powered testing tools. Accelk Unified offers AI-powered testing tools that help automate and enhance the software testing process, improving productivity and efficiency. The platform integrates advanced AI, machine learning, and natural language processing to accelerate test case creation, execution, and maintenance. Here are the key ways Accelk Unified can unleash productivity. 1. AI-driven test creation. Natural language interface. Test cases can be created using simple, intuitive natural language commands. This eliminates the need for complex scripting, making it accessible to both technical and non-technical users. Smart test automation. The AI intelligently generates and refines tests based on the application's behavior, ensuring that tests are comprehensive and cover various use cases. 2. Dynamic test execution. Continuous testing. The AI-powered engine adapts to changes in the application, automatically adjusting tests and reducing the need for manual updates. Cross-platform compatibility. The testing tools are designed to work across multiple platforms, ensuring broad test coverage without manual intervention. 3. Intelligent test maintenance. Automatic test script maintenance. Accelk's AI can automatically update test scripts when application changes are detected, reducing the overhead associated with script maintenance. Self-healing tests. The AI detects and repairs test failures caused by minor UI changes or other small modifications in the application, minimizing manual intervention. 4. Visual test reporting. Real-time analytics. The platform offers real-time insights into the testing process, enabling teams to quickly identify bottlenecks and areas that need improvement. Comprehensive dashboards. Teams can easily monitor test execution, track progress, and make informed decisions with visually rich dashboards. 5. Collaboration and integration. Collaboration features. Integrated team collaboration tools streamline communication between developers, testers, and business analysts, improving overall efficiency. Seamless integration with CI/CD pipelines. Accelk Unified integrates smoothly with CI/CD pipelines, enabling continuous delivery and faster deployment cycles. Accelk Unified, your gateway to seamless continuous testing. Accelk Unified, your gateway to seamless continuous testing. Accelk Unified is a powerful, AI-driven continuous testing platform that simplifies and accelerates the testing process for modern applications. It offers an end-to-end solution for testing across web, mobile, and API applications, integrating seamlessly into the DevOps pipeline. Key features of Accelk Unified. AI-powered test automation leverages artificial intelligence to reduce manual effort in test creation, maintenance, and execution. This results in faster test cycles and more reliable outcomes. No-code test automation empower teams to design, execute, and maintain automated tests without coding knowledge, making it accessible for both technical and non-technical users. Seamless integration with DevOps integrates effortlessly with your CI/CD pipelines, allowing for continuous testing that aligns with agile methodologies and fast-paced software development. End-to-end testing supports functional, regression, and performance testing, covering the full scope of applications across web, mobile, and APIs. Smart Test Maintenance. Built-in AI helps automatically detect changes in the application, ensuring tests are always in sync with the latest code and reducing the need for manual updates. Analytics and Reporting provides detailed insights and dashboards for monitoring test results, identifying bottlenecks, and tracking overall quality metrics. Cross-platform compatibility. Whether you are testing across desktop, mobile, or web, Accelk Unified ensures consistency and reliability in your testing process. Collaboration and version control promotes teamwork through easy collaboration features, version control for test scripts, and centralized test management. Boosting team collaboration and efficiency with Accelk Unified. Boosting team collaboration and efficiency with Accelk Unified. Accelk Unified is a powerful tool designed to enhance collaboration and efficiency for teams working on test automation and quality assurance (QA). By providing a comprehensive and unified platform, it helps streamline workflows, integrate different roles in the software development process, and facilitate faster feedback loops. Here's how Accelk Unified can boost team collaboration and efficiency. 1. Centralized collaboration platform. Accelk provides a single, unified workspace where teams can collaborate on test automation tasks. Developers, testers, and business analysts can work together within the same environment, making communication seamless and reducing silos in the workflow. The platform supports real-time collaboration, which ensures that everyone is on the same page, increasing transparency and alignment. 2. Intuitive, no-code test automation. Accelk's no-code framework makes it easy for both technical and non-technical team members to design and execute automated tests. Testers can create automated scripts without needing to write complex code, enabling more team members to participate in the testing process. This democratization of test automation accelerates the feedback cycle and boosts overall productivity. 3. Integration with CI/CD pipelines. Accelk integrates easily with existing CI/CD pipelines, enabling teams to automate and speed up the testing process. This ensures that every change to the codebase is automatically tested, reducing manual intervention and ensuring continuous delivery of high-quality software. The ability to automate end-to-end tests in a continuous integration environment helps teams identify defects early in the development life cycle. 4. Real-time analytics and reporting. The platform provides actionable insights and real-time reporting, which helps teams quickly identify potential issues in their code or tests. With integrated dashboards and detailed reports, teams can assess test results, track progress, and make data-driven decisions faster. This leads to quicker issue resolution and ensures that everyone is aware of the testing progress. 5. Cross-functional team involvement. By enabling test creation and execution with a low-code, no-code approach, Accelk fosters cross-functional collaboration. Business analysts can create test cases based on user stories, while developers can focus on test execution. This shared responsibility ensures that quality is prioritized throughout the development cycle, enhancing team collaboration and efficiency. 6. Cloud-based accessibility. As a cloud-based platform, Axelk allows teams to access the testing environment from anywhere, making it easier for remote teams to collaborate. Whether teams are distributed globally or working in different time zones, the platform provides the flexibility to maintain continuous collaboration and execution. 7. Scalability for growing teams. As teams scale, Axelk supports growth by providing tools to handle increasing test automation demands. The platform is capable of managing complex and large-scale automation projects, which is particularly useful for larger teams or organizations with more extensive software requirements. This scalability ensures that teams can maintain high efficiency even as their projects grow. 8. Seamless integration with tools and technologies. Axelk integrates with a wide range of third-party tools such as Jira, GitHub, and Slack, making it easy for teams to sync their work across different platforms. This ensures that no matter the tools your team uses, Axelk will complement and streamline them, leading to better efficiency and reduced manual work. Why Axelk Unified is the future of test automation platforms. Axelk Unified is considered the future of test automation platforms due to its unique combination of key features and innovations that address the challenges faced by modern development and testing teams. Here are several reasons why Axelk is leading the way. No-code, AI-powered test automation. Axelk utilizes AI and machine learning to enable no-code test creation and maintenance. This drastically reduces the need for specialized coding knowledge, making it accessible to non-technical testers and enabling faster test creation and modification. The platform's AI also helps automatically identify changes in the application, which reduces maintenance efforts. End-to-end testing. Axelk supports full-stack testing, including functional, UI, API, performance, and security testing. This comprehensive approach enables teams to cover all aspects of an application without needing to use multiple separate tools, which improves efficiency and consistency across testing activities. Unified Test Management. The platform consolidates test management and test execution into one unified platform, providing seamless integration with CI/CD pipelines and supporting both manual and automated tests. This integration streamlines the testing process and enhances collaboration across different teams, whether they are working on the development, QA, or operations sides. Intelligent Test Execution. Axelk uses intelligent execution algorithms to optimize the way tests are run. This includes the ability to prioritize tests based on business impact and automatically retry tests in case of failures, improving test accuracy and reducing the time spent on debugging. Scalability. The platform is designed to scale with an organization's needs. Whether you are running a few tests or thousands, Axelk can handle the load. It also supports parallel test execution, which can significantly reduce testing time, particularly for large applications. Cloud Native. As a cloud-native platform, Axelk offers flexibility, high availability, and easy scalability. Teams can access the platform from anywhere, and it can be integrated with other cloud-based tools and services to support modern development and testing workflows. Continuous integration and continuous testing. CI/CD. The platform integrates with popular CI/CD tools like Jenkins, GitLab, and Azure DevOps, ensuring that testing is automated and executed continuously as part of the DevOps pipeline. This allows for faster feedback on code changes and improves software quality. Real-time collaboration. Accelk fosters collaboration between different teams by providing shared dashboards, real-time reporting, and the ability to track test results across the entire team. This transparency ensures that everyone is on the same page, leading to quicker resolution of issues and better decision-making. Lower maintenance overhead. Traditional test automation frameworks often require significant maintenance due to changes in the application's UI or API. Accelk's AI-driven capabilities minimize the need for manual updates, reducing the overhead of maintaining test scripts and ensuring that they remain effective even as the application evolves. Ease of integration. Accelk offers seamless integrations with numerous other tools, including test management tools, ALM systems, and defect tracking systems. This ensures that teams can easily incorporate Accelk into their existing ecosystem without disrupting their workflows. Accelerating Agile and DevOps with Accelk Unified. Accelk Unified is a modern test automation platform that integrates seamlessly with Agile and DevOps methodologies to accelerate the software delivery lifecycle. It brings a unified approach to quality assurance, QA, enabling organizations to improve speed, collaboration, and efficiency in Agile and DevOps environments. Here's how Accelk Unified accelerates Agile and DevOps. Seamless integration with CI/CD pipelines. Accelk integrates easily into continuous integration and continuous deployment (CI/CD) pipelines. It enables automated testing at every stage of the DevOps lifecycle, ensuring that code is always tested and validated for quality. This integration helps teams maintain high-quality standards without compromising speed. Low-code automation. With its low-code capabilities, Accelk allows teams to quickly create and execute automated tests without requiring deep programming skills. This accelerates test creation and reduces bottlenecks, empowering developers and testers to work more efficiently. Real-time feedback. In Agile and DevOps, real-time feedback is critical to quickly identifying and resolving issues. Accelk provides real-time test results and insights, enabling teams to make immediate improvements to the application, speeding up the release cycle. Collaborative test management. Accelk's platform fosters collaboration between development, testing, and business teams. The ability to manage, monitor, and execute tests across different teams in real time ensures better alignment and faster resolution of issues. AI-powered test automation. Accelk utilizes artificial intelligence to continuously learn and optimize test cases. By leveraging AI, it dynamically adjusts to changes in the application, ensuring that tests remain relevant and up-to-date throughout the development cycle. End-to-end test coverage. The platform supports end-to-end testing across different types of applications, including web, mobile, and APIs. With comprehensive coverage, teams can ensure all parts of the application are tested, leading to higher quality releases. Easy test maintenance. Accelk's intelligent test maintenance capabilities automatically update tests when there are changes in the application, minimizing the manual effort needed to maintain test scripts. This ensures that tests remain aligned with the evolving codebase. Integration with Agile frameworks. Accelk is designed to work with popular Agile frameworks like Scrum, Kanban, and XP, helping teams implement test automation within their existing Agile processes. This ensures that testing does not slow down development but instead supports the rapid pace of Agile sprints. The magic behind Accelk Unified, Smart Test Design and Execution. Accelk Unified is a test automation platform that focuses on making test design and execution smarter, more efficient, and accessible for both technical and non-technical users. It combines several advanced features to enhance the test automation process. Here's a breakdown of the magic behind Accelk Unified. 1. Unified Test Automation Framework. Accelk offers a unified framework where all types of testing, functional, regression, performance, and security, can be managed from a single interface. This removes the silos in test management and execution that often exist in traditional approaches. 2. Smart Test Design. Codeless Test Automation. Accelk allows users to create automated tests without writing code. Its natural language processing (NLP) capabilities let users describe tests in business language, which are then automatically converted into executable tests. Behavior-driven development (BDD). It integrates BDD methodology, allowing collaboration between technical and business teams. This ensures that everyone, from developers to stakeholders, can contribute to and understand test cases. Test design with AI. Accelk leverages artificial intelligence to optimize test design. It automatically identifies reusable components and smart patterns, reducing redundancy and increasing efficiency. Data-driven testing. It supports data-driven testing, allowing users to run the same tests with different sets of data, improving coverage and robustness. 3. Execution and monitoring. Cloud-based execution. Accelk executes tests in the cloud, allowing for scalability and distributed execution across multiple environments. This reduces the infrastructure overhead and enables faster execution. Continuous integration (CI) and continuous testing (CT). It integrates seamlessly with CI/CD pipelines, enabling automated testing as part of the development process. This ensures that testing is continuous and doesn't delay the release cycles. Self-healing tests. One of the standout features of Accelk is its self-healing capability. If an element in the application under test changes, example, the ID of a button, Accelk automatically identifies and adapts to the change without breaking the test. 4. Collaboration and reporting. Real-time reporting. Test results are available in real time, providing immediate feedback. Dashboards and reports can be customized to show relevant insights for different stakeholders. Collaboration tools. With built-in collaboration features, teams can easily share insights, discuss failures, and take corrective actions, enabling faster decision-making and issue resolution. 5. Cross-platform and cross-browser testing. Accelk supports testing across multiple platforms and browsers, ensuring that applications work seamlessly on a wide range of devices, browsers, and operating systems. 6. Integration with other tools. The platform integrates with various tools in the DevOps ecosystem, such as Jira, Jenkins, and Git, allowing for seamless communication and information flow across the entire software development lifecycle. 7. Scalability and flexibility. As organizations scale, Accelk's cloud-native architecture ensures that it can handle large volumes of tests and maintain high performance. Whether testing a small module or an enterprise-scale application, Accelk adapts without compromising speed or reliability. Why choose ProExcellency for Accelk Unified Online Training? Choosing ProExcellency for Accelk Unified Online Training can offer several advantages. Expert instructors. ProExcellency typically employs instructors with industry experience and deep knowledge of Accelk, ensuring that the training is not only theoretical but also aligned with real-world applications. Comprehensive curriculum. The training covers a wide range of Accelk's features and functionalities, ensuring that participants gain a holistic understanding of the platform and can apply their knowledge in diverse scenarios. Hands-on training. ProExcellency focuses on practical learning, allowing students to work with the Accelk platform directly, which can enhance their problem-solving abilities and hands-on experience. Flexible learning options. With online training, you can attend sessions from anywhere, providing flexibility to work at your own pace and schedule. Industry-relevant case studies. The training may include case studies and examples that reflect current industry trends and best practices, helping learners understand how to apply Accelk in various business contexts. Personalized support. Many online training providers like ProExcellency offer personalized support, such as doubt-solving sessions, one-on-one mentoring, or access to a community, which can help you navigate any challenges. Certifications. Some training programs may offer certifications upon completion, which can enhance your resume and validate your skills with Accelk. Cost-effective. Online training programs tend to be more affordable compared to traditional in-person training while still offering high-quality content and learning experiences. Thank you.